Hey y'all, it is Martha here. I am just popping in to share with you what I made for hashtag Enjoy Red with us. I almost started to say another collaboration. But anyway, I did this little painting especially for Enjoy Red with us. I did it during a live. So it is a project share, not a process video, which I usually do for Enjoy Red with us. So without further ado, I painted it in my little journal that I do my acrylic paintings in. Oops, there goes my camera. Let me see if it's okay. Okay, I guess that's all right. Okay. So I had the inspiration for this painting from Step by Step Painting, Tracy Kiernan, which has a YouTube channel and also a website. I am a member, so that sometimes I like to go do her paintings, which are easy and fun usually. And sometimes I like to do it because it's easier than trying to come up with something new for yourself. Plus you learn new things. So here it is. It is some strawberry jam with some strawberries and a little bumblebee. It's simple and it's easy and it was fun to paint. So I forgot to say, hashtag Enjoy Red with us is hosted by Annie Creates and Mimi with Love, and both of their channels will be in the description. And also I will add a description to Step by Step Painting. Did I say that right? I don't think I said that right. I will add a link to Step by Step Painting in case you're interested in learning how to do painting. She has different levels of painting, from someone who's never painted at all to more intermediate and maybe advanced. I'm not sure about that. But anyway, her links will be in the description as well. So go check out their channels, especially Annie and Mimi, because they are very sweet ladies and they support my channel, and they both make very beautiful art and very beautiful projects. You will enjoy their channels, and they're both just adorable, sweet ladies, so you will enjoy being a part of their YouTube family. All right, that is my little share for Enjoy Red with us, and I will see y'all again soon. Bye now.